Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Ukraine and Canada expand defense industrial cooperation with joint production of reconnaissance drones. Ukraine and Canada are expanding defense industrial cooperation through a new project to manufacture Ukrainian unmanned systems in Canada. The Ministry of Defense of Ukraine said the project will support the production of Ukrainian reconnaissance drones for delivery to the defense forces of Ukraine. The agreement was signed by representatives of Ukraine's Ministry of Defense and Canada's Department of National Defense. Under the agreement, a new joint venture called Airlogic Sentinel will be established. The joint venture will bring together Ukrainian defense technology company Airlogics and Canadian unmanned systems manufacturer Sentinel Research and Development. The project is supported by the governments of Ukraine and Canada. Ukraine said the initiative will accelerate the delivery of equipment for intelligence gathering and operational planning to Ukrainian service members. The drones produced in Canada under the project will be supplied to Ukraine's defense forces. The ministry said joint production also creates opportunities for Canada. These include expanding Canadian manufacturing capacity in critical technologies and gaining access to effective solutions developed for modern warfare. Ukraine and Canada will continue working on joint solutions that serve the security interests of both countries. The ministry described the project as part of a win-win partnership and Ukraine's wider defense strategy. The Ministry of Defense of Ukraine expressed gratitude to Canada for its consistent support. It also thanked Canada for its commitment to developing practical defense projects. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.